45 days is a lot of time. If you think of it, it's a considerable amount of time in which students can really buck up their preparation. But one component which is common to all students and which should be undertaken by everybody is practice. So you cannot do and you cannot clear this exam without enough practice. Whether it is full length mock tests, whether it is sectional tests, students have to attempt multiple questions and tests in order to assess their performance. We are giving access to students to about 15,000 plus questions. The questions that are there are high quality questions which have been framed exactly on UPSC previous year questions.
Hello dear aspirants, I am Vishal Salsekar and I welcome you all to this special series of discussion organized by Vision IAS regarding UPSC CSE Prelims 2024. Today's theme of discussion is fine-tuning of preparation, and to discuss more about this, I am joined by Geetika ma'am, who is the faculty of Vision IAS. Welcome ma'am.
Hello Vishal.
So ma'am, as prelims is less than 2 months away from now and the students are facing multiple issues at this point of time. So what are the challenges that you are observing in the student's query just before the examination?
Vishal, exam is just about 45 days away, and obviously students are very nervous and anxious. This is we are talking about a hard work of years that is being put to test now. So students are facing multiple challenges, like there is a plethora of resources available in the market, which book to read, which not to read, what material to study, what to leave, which subjects to be given priority, which can be probably ignored for the time being, and static and current affairs, all that has to be managed. So currently students are overwhelmed with a lot of information. They are unable to decide their priorities, and sometimes in some cases they are also a little bogged down by lack of practice. They feel that they have not attempted enough mock tests. So that is also one challenge which students are facing at this point in time.
So ma'am, given that your experience and you have a lot of experience in guiding this UPSC aspirants, so what kind of strategy at this juncture you want to suggest to the candidates so that they can fine tune their preparation?
Well, like the exam we just discussed is about 45 days away. So 45 days is a lot of time. If you think of it, it's a considerable amount of time in which students can really buck up their preparation. I have also come across toppers who have really, modified and fine-tuned their strategy in the last 2 months and gone on to succeed in the examination. So first and foremost is that students should maintain their confidence that yes, I can do this. After that, students should have a good study schedule, like on a daily basis, maybe have bouts of, sitting time. So 2 hours, 3 hours in the morning, then take a break, then another 3 hours. Like that, they should have a good study schedule on a daily basis. In that study schedule, they can either divide it among different subjects, giving importance to, let's say, polity, geography, economics. Or what they can do is they can also divide it in between static and current affairs portion. So whether they want to devote the first half to static and then the next half to current affairs, this is a personalized approach that students can take. But one component which is common to all students and which should be undertaken by everybody is practice. So you cannot do and you cannot clear this exam without enough practice. Whether it is full length mock tests, whether it is sectional tests, students have to attempt multiple questions and tests in order to assess their performance.
So ma'am, you have briefly talked regarding the practice also, and initially in your first answer you have talked regarding the static as well as current affairs related management. So as far as the UPSC prelims is concerned, this revision and practice becomes a kind of issue for many of the aspirants, and in this particular aspect, this mock test series and specifically the Vision IAS also have this mock test series for prelims examination, that becomes a very crucial aspect. So what kind of things like you want to suggest regarding the attempting of mock tests?
So mock tests are important. They are indispensable in the preparation. There is no doubt about it. Recently, we have heard the topper's talk of Animesh rank 2, and he on his topper's talk also mentions that while he was getting closer to the examination, he started practicing tests and questions more frequently. Maybe when he was in about January or February, he was practicing about 1 test a week, and closer to the examination, he started attempting more and more tests. So that clearly tells us the relevance and importance of mock tests. The reason is mock tests not only help you, simulate the examination condition and help you test your perseverance in those 2 hours, but they also help you understand what are the traps that can be set in a question. So there is something called muscle memory. Your memory starts understanding and identifying traps, that this is a possible trap. For example, if I am talking about a scheme and one of the statements is on a certain ministry of the scheme, I should be able to look at that statement and identify that this could be a possible trap. That kind of understanding comes only when you practice questions. That cannot come merely by reading text.
Right. So the practice plays a very crucial role in this particular preparation, be it any of the stages of the examination. So in this particular aspect, ma'am, I have heard of this thing, Sandhan, which is a kind of new initiative by Vision Eyes, and it is a kind of like integral part of the All India Prelims Test Series, where I think student can do a lot of things by themselves also. Right. So can you briefly talk about what are the core features and the objective of Sandhan?
Now, Sandhan is something, which fills a very big market gap. Right now, all across, we have full-length test series, or we have mock tests in which student is required to prepare a subject completely beforehand before he attempts a test. For a full-length test, a student has to prepare history, polity, geography, economics, all the subjects to score well in a full-length test. So he does not have the option of selecting a few topics and then testing himself against those topics. That gap is being fulfilled by this initiative of Sandhan. This is a new feature which is being given to the students in our existing prelims test series. Under this initiative, students have an option of creating a personalized test. They can create their own tests based on their strengths and weaknesses. They can assess their performance through post-test analysis and again retest themselves after whether they have improved or not, assess their performance in an ongoing manner. So a student does not have to prepare all the subjects to score well. He can take small mini tests in order to perform well and boost his confidence. How sports trainers do, sports trainers don't start with a full marathon in one go. They start teaching their athletes to, let's say, run about 100 meters or 200 meters, sprints, and then they start building that stamina. Exactly the same approach is being followed in Sandhan. We are encouraging students to take small tests, customized, personalized tests, which they can create on their own, and use those tests to assess their performance and improve their confidence.
Right. So ma'am, how a student, like suppose if I consider myself as a candidate for the examination, so I'll be more curious to know like how I can create a test and what should be the strategy, like based upon what conditions I should be selecting any specific topic or any other thing for attempting this particular tests.
So Sandhan gives you an option to not only select the subject you want to test yourself in, because let's say if you have a test of history, okay, we have sectional tests of history. So we have 2 to 3 tests which are there, sectional tests in history in our All India Prelims test series. Now what happens in such a scenario, if a student is attempting one test, okay, then he goes on to fine tune his preparation. He has to wait for another 10-15 days for the other test to release and then again attempt that test in order to assess whether there is some improvement in his preparation. In contrast with that, Sandhan gives student the opportunity to create this test not only based on the subject but also the subtopic. So let's say, for example, if I want to test myself on, let's say, banking laws, okay, I can always choose macroeconomics as a section, and under that section I can choose money and banking. So maybe I feel that I have thoroughly revised money and banking and I want to test myself purely on that topic. So I can do that, and not only that, I can also choose the number of questions I want to test myself with.
Okay.
So I can start with 5 questions and go on till about 30 questions, and the time will vary accordingly. So let's say for a 5-question test, I will get about 7 minutes, and for a 30-question test, I will get about 40 minutes. So this approach, which is flexible, which is personalized, which is customized, is something which is not found easily. And the questions that are there, we are giving access to students to about, 15,000 plus questions. The questions that are there are high quality questions which have been framed exactly on UPSC previous year questions. And not just that, student also has an option to, check that in this particular database or in this particular test, I also want previous year's UPSC questions. So the student will also have the option of attempting previous year's questions from that particular topic.
Okay, so the database seems to be very huge. Like it consists approximately of more than 15,000
Absolutely,
questions.
absolutely.
And also I think this personalization related feature is very, very crucial, because until or unless I will be practicing whatever I am going through after appearing for any specific test, that thing is very, very crucial.
That is very crucial, because right now what's happening is a student is unable to attempt a mock test because he feels, yeah, I have just revised history, or maybe I have just finished my economics, but I'm not too good in, let's say, art and culture.
Exactly.
So rather than, again feeling underconfident or anxious to attempt a full length test, you can simply go on to this feature, select your specific topic and, section, and attempt questions on that. So you will be able to test your preparation more comprehensively in this feature.
Right, and specifically in some of the sections where you are facing certain kind of issues.
Absolutely.
Okay, so ma'am, my next question to you is like, is there any specific kind of time period like where students should be practicing this thing, or any kind of strategy that you want to suggest to the candidate to include these particular aspect into their preparation and revision related aspect?
Absolutely, Vishal. I think Sandhan is one initiative. We all wish it was there in our times when we were preparing, because Sandhan is something that, really gives you an opportunity to test yourself there and then. Let's say I have finished reading ancient history. So I have the option of immediately picking up questions from ancient history and testing myself over and over again. So the best time to practice is now, especially for students who are appearing in 2024 prelims. This is absolutely the right time to do it, because it doesn't take too much of your time. The questions are available on an online portal. You can simply go on your dashboard, and once you have attempted a test also, it's not that the test vanishes away. It stays on your student portal. So you can always go back to the questions and see where you made mistakes, jot down notes, and then move forward.
Right, and this flexibility is like we need not to wait to the test to get released.
Absolutely.
Like it's at your hand.
It's at your fingertips.
Right. So ma'am, my last question to you is like, before the examination, the candidates are very much confused. Also this stress, anxiety, and a lot of things are there. So any last piece of advice to the candidates that you want to give?
Well, my last piece of advice is have a very structured preparation. First and foremost, for every subject, decide the source that you are going to stick to. Don't try to read everything and anything you can lay your hands on. So for example, polity, if you have decided to read Lakshmikant / Subhash Kashyap, any of the major standard textbooks, stick to that. Do multiple revisions and then attempt as many tests as possible, because attempting tests helps you fine tune your preparation. It helps you understand that what are the possible traps, what could be set in the examination, and also it helps you plug the loopholes in your own preparation. So you can tell that, okay, this particular, let's say, emergency provisions, maybe I did not score well. So you can always have the option of, finding out what are the weaknesses. And Sandhan also gives one more very important feature, that it also generates a test for you based on your weaknesses. So if you have attempted, a test based on multiple sections, the Sandhan will give you an opportunity to create, it will automatically create a test for you that based on your weak points, which we have analyzed, these are some of the sections that you should probably attempt again. So utilize this feature to the best of your abilities, and take an incremental approach. Don't try to do everything at once. Go step by step, and you'll never know when you're there at the top.
Right. As they say in Atomic Habits, that incremental changes are needed to fine-tune your preparation.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us today, and this was a very insightful discussion. And I'm pretty sure that candidates might have got a lot out of this particular discussion.
I hope so.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you again. Okay. So with this, we came to end to this particular session. So just before leaving this particular section, I would like to add upon that Sandhan is a kind of initiative taken by Vision IAS, which will help you to fine-tune your preparation. And see, UPSC is not just about preparation, it's about the smart preparation. So you need to make sure that how smartly you can attempt these particular tests, and you will surely get benefit in your preparation. Till that time, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you.